So today we had a fight in the morning, and then Shreya had her dental surgery.
I think you should specify that it's not that you broke my tooth.
Clarification, I didn't break her tooth. She had a wisdom tooth extraction, so she got that done. Massive shout out to Dr. Ari from Toothology Clinic, who's probably one of the best dentists I've ever come across. He's actually one of the reasons why I got over my fear of dentists or dental treatment. But now we're out to get some smoothies just because, you know, it's gonna soothe Shreya's teeth. And that's about it. And we're not fighting anymore, so that's good. She realized she was wrong. Realized her mistake.
You're using the
And she
wrong...
apologized.
It's
all good.
You're using the wrong person.
Why?
It's not we. It's I.
Yeah, so Shreya's not fighting anymore. She realized her mistake. God, that's beautiful. I'm gonna show you something completely surreal, okay? This is the Rosebud Motel from Schitt's Creek, right? Can you believe this? This is the spot where they had the barbecue.
I think it's more visitors.
Yeah. So the Rosebud Motel is in a town called Orangeville, and it's a tourist attraction to the extent that Google Maps recognizes it as a Rosebud Motel. It's a private property, of course. And it's the sleepiest of sleepy towns.
Yeah, check this
one.
out.
There's no one here. But yeah, anyway, we'll continue with the rest of the vlog now. But oh man,
Excellent.
it's...
Mora is going to come out.
Oh man, they have the numbers as well, right?
Yeah.
The room numbers. Wasn't 5 David's room?
I don't know. I can't recall now. That's beautiful, though, eh?
So for dinner tonight, we have a very interesting mix of flavors. There's a lot going on. We had leftover dal chawal, which is lentils and rice, but we figured, you know, we'll mix it up a little. I'll show you actually. Sprout salad, portobello mushroom pizza, sourdough garlic bread, stir-fried asparagus. Nice, right? Believe it or not, barring the mushroom, everything else was impromptu. But I think it's worked out really well.
Bread pudding, but it's I can see your thought process. Good.
Wow. What content.
Bread first. Okay.
And chai. Starting today, I'm going off sugar. Okay, I'm not going off sugar. I'm still gonna have sugar in my chai and coffee. But aside from that, no desserts. Yeah. I have a massive sweet tooth. So we've just come out to IKEA. Our couch is really shitty at this point, and we're at a point where we definitely need a new couch. So we just come out to see some couches. Not that crowded. Everyone's meticulously following safe distancing, at least outside. Before IKEA, we checked out a store called Structube last weekend. They have some really good like minimal couches and stuff, but IKEA is great for, you know, condo furniture, so it's functional and works for now. We had a bit of a debate about whether or not we should go for a sofa bed. The thing is, we like hosting a lot, but now that no one's coming home anyway.
Oh my god.
What?
I love that bookcase.
This one?
Yeah.
Now that no one's coming home anyway, I think we might just go for a simple couch as opposed to a sofa bed. Are we clear on that?
Yeah.
On top of the TV.
Or anything.
Like we have the posters right now.
On top of the couch, over your painting, over your photograph. So cool. Okay. I would love this.
Is that leather?
No, leather, yeah.
Like fake leather, right?
For $6.99, yeah.
And you can
This
choose
would be
your
very nice.
upholstery.
This is what it is, right?
This is what it is, yeah. I like this, yeah.
I really like the tan leather.
I think this one is, it's a cool concept. Definitely not these. This is so comfy.
So we get, instead of getting an L, we get a regular couch, we get a plush chair, and then we get floor seating because we like to sit on the floor,
Right.
but there's no room
But what's a regular couch?
like this, like no L-shaped stuff.
Okay. This one, the one we're sitting on right now, is called Kivik. And it's $5.99. Comfy enough. God, my glasses are fogging up. Am I wearing the mask wrong?
No, you're wearing your glasses.
I think as of now, we like the Moravo upholstery options. First ever couch we got was from IKEA, but they don't have that anymore. The sofa bed. That's the one you see on my videos. The one that's shit now. Such childhood memories of sitting on a rocking chair. You know what's funny? We found the exact freaking couch that we have, similar at least, and that's the comfiest one so far. No pun intended. Shreya, this is the same couch. What's wrong with you?
It's a good couch.
This is $4.99.
Cozy also. So this is what I'm saying. You get one couch, a plush comfy chair like a recliner, like that one, and then some cushions on the floor because I like to sit on the floor.
Okay, so let's see this one.
This is not a fancy recliner, but it does the job, I guess. Right?
That is comfy.
Yeah.
So far, this is the one that we like. I think we're gonna go for this one, but similar to this color. IKEA's lighting section is my absolute favorite. They have some amazing lamps. It's hard not to get carried away. I'll show you which one I love the most. 30 bucks. How cool is that, right? Came out for a run after a while. I've never been a fan of gyms ever. It's either like floor workouts at home or it's outdoors. So this feels good, feels great. Check out this cotton, eh? Beautiful skies. Alright, back to it. I think I might be able to get a sunset shot. Oh yeah, and that is a sunset shot. Forget about that sunset shot. Look at this.